Welcome to Mastering Prompt Template Part 2. If you missed the previous video, you can find a link in the description for a thorough overview of prompt templates. In this video, we'll delve into sample code for prompt templates with and without variables and demonstrate how to integrate with the OpenAI LLM model to analyze the results. Please ensure you have your OpenAI API Key ready. Here, we'll be using Google Colab Notebooks. However, in future videos, we'll explore Jupyter Notebooks and other code editors with Poetry, ensuring you become proficient in various environments. I'm about to open the Google Colab Notebooks. After open it, in the left pane, find the icon named Secrets. Open it and enter your OpenAI API key I already added. Next, we'll load the OpenAI API key through code. Now let us install the required libraries. I have already installed the required libraries so that it shows the requirement already satisfied. Here's a simple guide on how to import Langchain OpenAI, which helps us integrate with the OpenAI LLM model. Now we will initialize the OpenAI model in Python. You typically need to set your API key and optionally specify additional configuration parameters. But we already initialized, that will automatically pass it here. Here's a basic example of how you can initialize the model using the OpenAI library. Let's dive in and create a simple prompt without any variables. Now let's invoke the OpenAI LLM model with the prompt we generated. The moment we've all been waiting for has arrived. Let's print and explore the exciting response from OpenAI. Remember, we previously discussed the importance of a God prompt in our Introduction to Prompts video. If you missed it, you can find the link in the description. This example demonstrates a poorly structured prompt as it lacks specificity. We'll look at a better example later in this video. Due to the vague prompt, the OpenAI LLM model's response is also lacking in detail. I hope you now understand how to create a simple prompt without variables and interact with the OpenAI LLM model. So far, we've discussed creating simple prompts without variables. Now, let's explore using prompt templates with variables, which will allow us to take user input more effectively. Here's a simple guide to importing the prompt template library in Python. This library helps create prompt templates, allowing you to easily incorporate user input. It is time to initialize the OpenAI LLM model to connect and get a response. Here, let's learn how to create a well-crafted prompt with context. We've set up a template with variables, allowing us to dynamically receive user input. In this case, we've created two variables, theme and year. We can expect the response to be related to these variables. Let's wait a few moments to see the response from the OpenAI LLM model. Now, let's define our prompt template using the template we created earlier. It's time to create a prompt or input string for the OpenAI LLM model using the prompt template. Now, let's invoke the OpenAI LLM model and check out the response for our well-crafted prompt. The response is, "Water Wars, the battle for survival in a dying world." Notice how it's not a generic title, but specifically related to water and survival in a challenging future. This specificity is due to the detailed context provided in our prompt, resulting in a more accurate and relevant response. I hope you now understand the difference between a simple prompt and a prompt template, with variables, how to create them, and how to interact with the OpenAI LLM using the Langchain framework. Both methods are considered zero-shot prompts because we're utilizing a pre-trained model without any additional training on specific data. In our upcoming video, we'll explore various new features. Thanks for watching. Please like our video and subscribe to our channel, and stay tuned for new updates.